Imagine being trapped in your own mind, unable to speak, but suddenly finding your voice again. This is the reality for Casey Harrell, thanks to groundbreaking technology. At UC Davis Health, researchers have developed a brain-computer interface, BCI, that translates brain signals into speech with up to 97% accuracy. If you're new here, please subscribe for more AI updates. Each video takes a lot of effort to create, and your support will help me keep improving my work. This revolutionary system was implanted in Casey, a 45-year-old man with ALS, allowing him to communicate his thoughts within minutes. ALS, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease, gradually robs individuals of their ability to move and speak, making this technology a beacon of hope. The BCI works by detecting brain activity when the user attempts to speak, transforming these signals into text that the computer reads aloud. In July 2023, microelectrode arrays were implanted in Casey's brain, recording activity from 256 cortical electrodes to decode his speech. Despite previous challenges in BCI technology, this system achieved 99.6% word accuracy in just 30 minutes during its first training session. With further training, the system expanded its vocabulary to 125,000 words, maintaining an impressive 97.5% accuracy. Casey's words, once trapped, now flow freely, allowing him to communicate with friends and family, bringing tears of joy to everyone involved. This transformative technology offers hope to many, breaking the communication barrier and reconnecting people with their loved ones. Speak your mind, even when your voice fails you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to keep improving my work.